Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am Muhammad Asad Khan and I am delivering my Excel lesson 12, splitting your data with ease for better analysis. So coming to the data, again I am using the data of my previous lesson, lesson number 11, and today we would be interested in learning with starting with a storyline that your boss is asking you to split the years. Like here, the century is coming with the year 2021, 2022. Similarly, going forward, 2023 and 2024. So he or she is basically interested in removing this 20 from the 21, the century, only the year 21, 22, 23, one thing. And the other thing he's interested in is to basically mention it in writing that years are either odd or even. So this is your task. So the one thing is that you can simply go at the right hand side and write 21 and 21 and 21 and then 22. But you can do that for for this data where you have only 29 rows. But suppose the data is till the end of the sheet. The sheet is about, you can see that 1.48 million. So 1.048 million. In Urdu or Hindi, you can say 10,48,576. So I think your whole month would be spent into this. So to make it easy, what we can do is that we are not going to do it manually. We are going to do it smartly. So there's a very good option here that is called the text column. So we would click it in the ribbon. I would again go back and show you it's basically in data. Go on the, sorry, go on, there are basically file, home, in menu bar, you can see file, home, insert, page layout, formula, okay. And this is the data. On data, you can see there is text to column option. Okay, this icon needs to be clicked and okay. So first I would basically need to go on the actual, see, on the actual column which I need, which needs to be splitted. So I select the whole column here. See, I have selected it. And then I basically clicked on A, on the top A, and that has selected the whole column till the end, till the last row, that is 1.048 million. Now I would click text to column, and there are two options, delimited and fixed width. I would opt for the second option, fixed width. There is a radio button, only one can be selected, both of these cannot be selected. Checkbox has the option to select both the options, but here you can only select one option. So fixed width, select fixed width, go to next. See here, preview of selected data. Your data is appearing here, the column is appearing here, year 2021, 21, 21. Okay, sir, or your mouse here between the two, 20, 21 and 22, in the center of that, and click it here at data preview at this line. So you can see that there is basically a line appearing between 2021, 20 and 21. So if you double click this line, it would disappear. If you make the data to be split it into, basically it will split the data into two columns, two separate columns later on. But if you want to split it into four columns, like if you want to split the 2 and the zeros and the 2 and the ones, the last, even the last, so you can basically do it like this. This, click on this, click after 0. See, there are 4 lines appearing, 3 and this, 3 are sufficient. So you will have the 4 columns, but you don't want that. You just want this 2 columns. So remove it, remove the last, and please leave it, the center line, leave it the way it is. So click next. Okay, the destination, MS Excel is asking for the destination where you want your data to be appeared. So select the destination and go at the I column, I1, I1, and click finish. See, now you have even he has splitted the word year, YE and AR into two columns. That's okay. So now you have the splitted data with you. So here you can the next task was to show your data in odd and even, which number is odd and which even. So you write a function here is equal to if j2 is equal to 21, then comma, inverted comma, odd, show it in odd, inverted comma closed, double inverted comma closed, comma, and you need to apply a nested function here. It's called the nested function. Again, write f because you also have 23 in your data. So there are two odds appearing. So write a nested function. If again j2 is equal to 23, then again odd, double inverted comma closed, comma, and else again if both the your in your function, if both the options are not odd, then what? Then write even. So in the case of 22 and 24, the word even would appear automatically. Okay, I have closed the brackets with two brackets. Okay, this one to basically accommodate this bracket and the first bracket and the second bracket. Press enter. So odd, copy it simply and control C, control plus C, and control plus V, and paste it here. See, so odd is appearing in front of 21 and even is appearing in front of 22. Again, odd is appearing in front of 23, even is appearing in front of 24. So this is a very simple example. These could be a code of schools for male or female. These could be a female schools 21, 22 could be male schools. The codes, it could be anything other than the years. You can apply it just like I've said for male female schools. You can apply for vegetables, beverages. If they're coded, then you can split the data and you can later on, just like this, apply a function on that, and you can get the actual result in front of you. So I think my today's session is beneficial for you. I have basically attached this complimentary sheet in the description, so you can download it freely and work on it. So if you kindly like my session, then please press the like button and subscribe. Do subscribe my channel because then you will get the new updates. And also please share it if you find it valuable so that other people, your other colleagues, could also get benefited out of it. So thank you very much for watching.